today I've got my KX057 and my dump trailer behind it, and I've got a bunch of junk boats that need to go away. Let's get to crushing. Now when I demo these boats, I always use the excavator, and I always put the boat up against the blade of the excavator, and I lift the blade up so the boat can't go up and onto the windshield or anything like that. Getting rid of this boat. I actually sold the trailer. The guy's actually sitting on the other side of the dump trailer that I have. Just waiting for the tow company to bring his trailer because apparently he was driving and the wheel broke off of some sort. And it was towed and they had to store it there. So he bought my trailer and I took this boat off of it just a little while ago. Now I just gotta get rid of this boat, throw it away, and load his boat onto that trailer. See how that goes. Off this trailer and then we'll demolish it. Manifolds out of here. There's one. There's two.
boats I tore apart. 1, 2, 3. They're all sitting in the dump trailer. I'm gonna head to the dump right now, get rid of this load, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna demolish that motorhome right there. Tired of looking at it. You can use a skid steer to demo these boats, but depending on how high your sides are, you know, is the problem. Because you can take a boat and crunch it up with a skid steer, but you're not gonna put it into as small pieces as you can with the excavator. And an excavator, you can put it in to the dump trailer where you want and then smash it down. Skid steer, you're not gonna really do that. You're gonna just dump it in there and that's about it. Once it gets high enough, then you could probably, you could smash it down, but that's not, you're not gonna make enough room in there with the skid steer as you can the excavator.